In this video, I'll show you how to read old chats on Instagram without scrolling. So right now, I'll show you how you can easily go to old chat without scrolling. So to do that, you have to install an app on your Android phone. So all you have to need, go to your Play Store and just search here, tap scroll, and go ahead and install this lightweight app on your Android phone. And if you're an iPhone user, you don't need to install any third-party app to do it. So now, just go ahead and open the tap scroll app on your Android phone. Tap on skip here, and now you have to turn on this app. So now enable accessibility service, tap on agree, and here tap on installed apps and tap on tap scroll and just enable this app. Go back from here and now just enable this app. Now all you have to need, go to your Instagram and just go to the chat, and now to read old chats in this conversation without scrolling, all you have to need, just tap at the top right corner of your screen like this, and you will directly jump into the chat start homepage or old message like this. So I'm going back from the chat again, opening the chat and tapping on the top right corner of the screen, and as you can see, my old message opened. So this is how we can do it. And if you're an iPhone user, then all you have to need, go to the chat or conversation and just same way, just tap on at the top right corner to read old messages. And in iPhone, you don't need to install any third-party app to do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.